As we can continue from where we left last time, we were discussing how to add new files to SVN, how to move the your plugin files and directories from local directory over to the online SVN. So in the previous video we discussed how to actually go ahead and create an SVN locally, right? Just like Git. Okay, so we learned how to create it locally, just like Git. Then we also created a local directory, inside of which we created a local SVN repository, and then we went ahead and copied all of our files from from our local directory of our theme into the new directory that we have created inside of our plugin directory, which is my local directory, and we've created an the assets and trunk folder and all of that. So we moved everything in the trunk folder when it comes to the normal files, and now what we're going to do is we'll copy the screenshot files and banner and things like that, and we're going to move into the assets folder. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to do again copy, and I want to basically first take care of the screenshot.php. I'm going to say my local directory. I don't know if you can see this. Let's increase the font. Most of the videos I've seen, the problem with them is that the font is very small and you can't really see much, and I don't want to repeat the same mistake as they do, so I'm just going to increase the font so you can see it clearly what's going on. Okay, so go to trunk folder and not trunk, assets, actually assets folder, and I'm going to copy that there. Okay, again I'm going to go ahead and copy the banner. So just for your information, I've already created these images. You can create your own. Make sure they're size of 772 into 250. Okay, so I'm going to move that there, and then I'm going to move the icon. Okay, icon, and there is one, I think, for 128 into, yeah, that's the one. Okay, and there is one for, I think, 256 size. I think these must be for the mobile and for the computer. Okay, so if I do the ls my local directory assets, I should be able to see that those files are there. So you can see all of that there. Okay. So I think we've done a pretty good job in moving all the files to the my local directory, which is now the local SVN repository, which is yet not online, just locally, just like Git. We have created a local, how we do Git init. Similarly for locally, we've done SVN CO. Now what we want to do basically is we're going to add all these files. So we've just put them there, but we've not added them. So in the CO repository, okay, it's how we do git add all. Similarly, now we have to do the SVN add, and then where we want to add, basically. Okay, so we want to say SVN. In fact, first thing we need to do is we need to go into that local directory, because that's where we have our repository. Okay, don't forget to do that. So we are inside that now. Now we're going to do SVN add trunk, because we've added files to the trunk folder. So we're going to say SVN add trunk, just like git add all. So you can see, it's been added. A means added, I think. And then you need to go ahead and add them to assets as well. So I'm going to say assets. So you can see it's been added. Okay, next thing we're going to do is basically push it online. So how you have git push origin master. So in fact, not that yet, just not that just yet. 1 second. Yeah, actually, yeah, it is actually. So it's basically committing. How you have git commit -m, you put the message. So SVN CI will take care of both. So add the message plus push it online onto the online repository of WordPress. So now we're going to push it here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's increase it. Sorry. Okay. Oh, What's going on? Okay, let's clear it first. Okay, so adding my first version of my plugin. Okay, so this time it's going to ask for my password of my, first is adding all of that. Oh, it didn't ask for my password. Maybe it recognizes me. So it's just transmitting files, it seems. But generally it would ask you for your password in case if you haven't already logged in. And it is your WordPress password, basically WordPress.org password. So it's been committed. Okay, alright guys, so that's all it is to uploading the plugin, in fact publishing the plugin online. Now just wait for a few minutes because sometimes it takes for all of these files to get uploaded over here on the online repository. You've just did the SVN, as you can see it's been pushed and committed. So now if you refresh the page, if you come over here, check the trunk, sure enough you've got the custom functions, you've got the IHS, you've got the readme, you've got the style, you've got the vendor. Yeah, let me increase the font. JS folder, you've got the main.js, you've got all of the files here. And remember we had uploaded the ones in assets as well, so you've got our screenshot and everything, banner, icon, screenshot and all of that. Now if you want to see that this where is this plugin located, as we all know, this is the slug of our plugin. So all we have to do is just copy this slug, just copy this slug, this part. Once you've copied it, go to wordpress.org plugins and just paste the slug over there, hit enter, search it, and within some time, sure enough, you can see that you've got my plugin over here and all of the information are there, and there's the contributor, that's me, imranhsayed. Okay, so the let's see, you've got the banner, you can see this is the banner. Okay, this is the banner I had put. If you do inspect element, and you can see that this is the banner dash 772 into 250. That's the banner I've uploaded, that's there. Then you have the icon, which is this icon basically. That's the icon I have uploaded here. These two icons, I think one of them might be for the mobile version. And then this is all readme text files, so you've got all of this information here, tested up to all of this information. Go over here, the version and everything. Okay, you can see that it's been updated 6 minutes ago. Then you have the description, so you can see that description goes here, all of the information that I put in over here. Then you have the demo section, so you can see that the YouTube link has already come over here. If you click on it, you'll be able to play the YouTube video and watch it, how to use this plugin basically. Okay, and then you've got both these videos. Then you have the screenshot page, as I explained to you earlier, the screenshot. You can see that screenshot, you can see this description would have come over here, you can find and display, you can see that. Right, then you have the FAQ section, which is this one, all of the FAQ that you put over here. So this is the question, it goes with single equal to, and then the answer goes like this. You can see this is the answers that I've written, question answers, yep. And then you have the installation section, so installation section would go over here in this tab. So all of the information that I put in over here in the installation section has automatically picked up and displayed over here. You've got the reviews, obviously I haven't got any because I've just uploaded it. Then I've got the support section, all of that information. Then you've got the development section and things like that. Yep. Great, perfect. So in the next tutorial, what we're going to learn is basically how to add new files to the SVN. In fact, before adding new file, I think we should tag it. How to tag a new version is what we want to know. Yeah, of course, we have to add files first before we tag a new version. So we'll learn how, in case later in future, once you've uploaded, publish your plugin and you want to make some changes, how to go ahead and upload, make changes and upload that or publish that onto the SVN repository on WordPress.org. Okay, again, all of these notes, I'm going to leave the link in below my video description, so you can check all these notes. And if you need any help, you can always mention in the comments. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.